Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to find the solutions. So I will use this equation minus this equation. So we have y minus x, this one minus this one. So you got number 0, 2009 minus 2008. We have number 1. So I will use this one minus this equation. So z minus s equals to number 2 and t minus s equals to number 3. And now I will put this one go to the right, similar this one and this one. And now I will select the first equation. After we got this one, we can change yzt into this one. And now we need to expand everything in here. So that should be like this. And now we can simplify this one. We have 7x minus 2008. So we need to find the solution of this one. So we got two solutions. After we got two solutions in here, we can find the value of yzt. This one you can do by yourself. So you just add number 1, number 2, number 3 in from this equation and this equation. So that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.